For decades, automotive physics forced a strict choice. You could glide through a metropolis in a whisper-quiet luxury car, or you could crawl over jagged rocks in a noisy, bone-shaking off-roader. Combining them meant accepting heavy penalties in weight, comfort, and aerodynamics. New electric vehicle architectures bypass this historical trade-off entirely by removing the physical constraints that forced engineers to choose in the first place. Take the front fascia of the Tang SUV. The continuous glowing light bar and sculpted grille shape the vehicle's aerodynamic drag profile precisely as much as they signal its aggressive aesthetic. Tracing the air backward, the flush curves and seamless roofline along the side profile deliberately delay air separation from the metal. By keeping that airflow attached to the body longer, engineers suppress high-speed turbulence, resulting in a measurable drop in cabin decibels at 70 miles per hour. Down to the smallest touch points, the intricate alloy wheels and flush modern door handles, the exterior is defined by tight tolerances and seamless surfaces, reading as a delicate, premium object. At a glance, this machine appears engineered strictly for valet parking and smooth pavement. It creates a natural tension regarding its ability to survive once those polished surfaces meet actual wilderness. Inside, the pristine dashboard and central UI reinforce that high-tech lounge feeling, but this space actually functions as a massive computational command center. The vehicle relies on what engineers call dynamic force distribution. As the SUV moves, sensors in the suspension and wheels fire a constant stream of telemetry back to the central hub regarding the exact terrain below. While the computers process these calculations, the cabin lighting and infotainment subtly adapt to the shifting environment outside, keeping the driver informed without causing any alarm. Sitting perfectly still under bright studio lights, the vehicle looks like a pure design exercise in modern luxury. But that peaceful cabin serves as the brains of the operation. Its processing power completely insulates the passengers from the severe mechanical stress happening just inches below the floorboards. Out in the real world, the physics change immediately. Bursting onto an open highway, the electric powertrain delivers high torque instantly to the wheels, pushing the heavy frame forward without the lag of a combustion engine. Move that same chassis into deep desert sand, and the requirements shift from raw speed to continuous momentum. Here, the intelligent all-wheel drive system takes over to keep the tires from burying themselves. The onboard traction control reads resistance and micro-adjusts wheel spin thousands of times per second to keep a heavy vehicle floating on top of shifting granules. Drop the luxury vehicle into a dense, muddy jungle environment, and that pristine black aesthetic is instantly obliterated by the earth. To survive deep trenches and severe uneven topography, the underlying chassis requires immense torsional rigidity combined with extensive suspension travel. This keeps the cabin structure from twisting under the strain of the earth. Meanwhile, the most vulnerable components, the high-voltage battery pack and electric drivetrains, are hermetically sealed to block out highly pressurized water and thick mud. The brute physical survival of this heavy machine off-road relies entirely on how well those delicate, sealed computer systems distribute power and manage impact forces in real time. So we are left with two conflicting realities. We have a silent executive lounge that can somehow plow through a flooded jungle trench without twisting its frame or drowning its electronics. This synthesis removes the traditional mechanical drivetrain. Replacing heavy iron gears with a software-driven electric array eliminates the physical footprint limiting off-road design. Without a bulky transmission tunnel or transfer case, that reclaimed volume directly expands the passenger cabin and houses the battery block. The result is a single machine that wears its dual nature openly. Vehicle design has evolved past forcing a choice between utility and luxury. It now provides the technology to confidently conquer deep wilderness without ever leaving the executive suite.